Hello and welcome to AI for Business. In this video, we will apply Notion with a focus on artificial intelligence in a case involving Kanban and client management in a consulting firm. So let's get to work. The company AIBiz wants to implement Kanban in its customer management process, and to do that, they want to use Notion and its new AI features. As an employee, you are asked to do the following. 1. Create the Kanban board for the project. 2. Create relations between tables. 3. Apply AI in the rows to obtain a summary of the task and to get potential obstacles. 4. Generate a project proposal for XYZ Corp's digital marketing strategy and draft a follow-up email for the meeting with ABC. We have to go to notion.so and write the name of the company. Now we have to upload the database. So press / import and I'm going to upload my CSV file. And we have to move the files to the main page. Here we have the table with customer data. Now we're going to create the Kanban board. To make the process easier, we will use a trick. Please click here, edit property, type, we're going to change to status. And press the plus button and select board. The Kanban is now ready and you can adjust it according to your project's progress. In the next step, please open the tasks table. Depending on the project's perspective, you can use the Kanban method in a general or in a specific manner. For this case, I suggest applying this table. However, let's first create a relation to affect the outcome of the order. So go back to Clients. Press here, Relation, Task Table, Add Relation, and we have to add the task for each one. Again, click plus, roll up, relation, task table, property, status. Delete this one. And now we can see the changes that we make in the other table and have better control. Go back to task table and time to apply generative AI. Click here, AI custom autofill. I want an AI summary, so what to generate? Generate a large explanation of the overall status of the task based on the columns client, due date, and state. Save changes, autofill all pages. And it is great. Now again, AI custom autofill, and I want to predict the potential obstacles. And what to generate? Predict potential obstacles that could arise during the development of the task. Save changes, autofill all pages. For example, with create email marketing campaign, we have these potential obstacles, technical issues with email marketing software, design and content approval delays, changes in client requirements or scope, and so on. And we have two more assignments, but these are specific assignments, so we have to select the right ones. Develop marketing strategy. Here, we're going to press space and generate a project proposal. Or you can create a new page. Draft a follow-up email. Remember that if you make changes to your data, this option will update the prompt in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.